Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Oppo Reno 7 Lite smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. As we all know, unfortunately the Fortnite game is not present at the Play Store, so you cannot get it from there directly. So first of all, in order to get the Fortnite, you want to open, well, any search engine of your choice. In my case I'll go with Google. Here at the search bar just type in Fortnite APK, just like so. At the search results, look for the official Epic Games website, go for it. Here tap on this black Get It on the Epic Games button, wait for the file to start downloading, press on OK. Once the file gets downloaded, you gotta open it and install. Now we can go ahead and open the Epic Games launcher. Here just close this stuff real quick. Get back to the Epic Games launcher. And, well, just tap on the black Get button that is located right in front of a Fortnite. Here, click on Install and wait for the Fortnite game to be downloaded and installed. In prior of actually installing the game, once it gets downloaded, we are required to allow the Epic Games Launcher to install apps from this source by simply turning on the switch, and now we can get back and finalize the installation of the Fortnite. After that, just tap on Open. And once the Fortnite game itself gets opened, all that you gotta do is to wait until it will download all its required updates and resources, just like so. So basically once this bar gets fully yellow, that will mean that you can start playing the game. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.